Hi, I'm Assistant Chief Kyle Hendricks with the Athens-Clarke County Fire and Emergency Services, and you're watching Snapshot 6. This video will take a look at some of the efforts of the unified government over the past month, including Fire and Emergency Services dedicating 2 brand new fire apparatus.
During March, Athens-Clarke County Fire and Emergency Services hosted 2 push-in ceremonies to dedicate the start of service for new vehicles. The new Engine 25 replaces a 19-year-old model that will move to a reserve status and serve for a few more years. The new Ladder 1 boasts an impressive 137-foot ladder, which makes it one of the tallest in the Southeast for better coverage of downtown and high-rise multifamily buildings. Both ceremonies allowed children to help push the trucks into their respective bays at Station 5 and Station 1. The Water Conservation Office, Keep Athens-Clarke County Beautiful, and Stormwater Management co-hosted the 2019 Ripple Effect film project Blue Carpet premiere at the Morton Theater. Ripple Effect allowed students to create short films about how the community can protect its water resources. The Water Conservation Office received over 550 film submissions, with 29 films making it to the finalist round. Over 200 kids and adults attended the screening and VIP reception during the EPA WaterSense Fix a Leak Week. Athens-Clarke County citizens can now submit certain types of incident reports to the police department from any internet-enabled computer or mobile device through a new web-based reporting system. The Desktop Officer Reporting System, or DORS, allows the ACCPD to allocate resources more efficiently while allowing residents a convenient way to report certain incidents. In addition to the online form, a web-based kiosk is located in the East Precinct lobby on Lexington Road. The web-based version of DORS is a secure reporting system available 24 hours a day. The user interface is easy to navigate, and the website explains the process of submitting a report. Reports entered into DORS are automatically transferred to the police department's records management software. Incident reports can be printed at the resident's home without a charge. DORS allows members of the community to request house checks, register an alarm system, and submit reports from crimes including criminal trespass property, criminal trespass vehicle, entering auto, harassment, identity fraud, lost property, private property accident report, theft by taking, and theft of lost or mislaid property. Individuals who are having an emergency, know the suspect involved in a crime, or would like to personally speak with an officer about an incident should contact 911. In March, the Sustainability Office worked with Sandy Creek Nature Center staff for a controlled burn of the Piedmont Prairie as part of an annual prescribed fire program. Once found throughout the Georgia Piedmont region, by the late 1900s, Piedmont prairies were down to a small number. Starting approximately 15 years ago, staff at Sandy Creek Nature Center restored a 3/4 of an acre area to native prairie habitat. In addition to creating an example of this once significant habitat, the Piedmont Prairie provides valuable seed that is currently spreading into the surrounding managed forest project area. A vital part of prairie habitat maintenance is fire, which cleans out dense vegetation and dead wood at ground level without harming trees or spreading into adjacent areas. In fall 2018, a culvert under Barber Street unexpectedly failed, requiring a road closure to through traffic. The project replaced the failed corrugated metal pipe with a new concrete box culvert to carry the live stream. The project required relocating a number of major public and private utility lines before replacement could begin. Despite weather delays in the winter and early spring, the roadway reopened to traffic on April 4, 2019. See a full time-lapse video of this project at accgov.com/barber. A solar grazing pilot project recently took place at the Cedar Creek Water Reclamation solar array. Since mechanical mowing is labor-intensive and can damage solar panels with flying rocks and debris, the practice of solar grazing with livestock provides a safe alternative solution. Grazing can eliminate the need for mowing at solar sites, reducing emissions and fuel costs. Sheep are able to easily navigate the panels and do not climb on the panels or chew wiring. The solar-powered electric fence around the paddock contains the sheep and also protects them from predators.
Thank you again for watching Snapshot 6, and we'll see you again next month.